name is Rachel, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a Dutch pancake. So I learned this a few years ago when my best friend's mom made this after a sleepover. It is super easy to make, and every ingredient that you need for it is probably already in your kitchen. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is preheat your oven to 425 degrees, and you're going to have to place your cast iron skillet in the oven. So while that's preheating, you want to assemble your ingredients together. So the first thing that you want to do is mix your dry ingredients together and your wet ingredients together. So here I have half a cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a teaspoon of salt. So you're going to mix that to combine. And then you're going to combine your wet ingredients. So you're going to crack 2 eggs in a bowl. You're going to whisk it up. You're going to add half a cup of milk, and half a teaspoon of vanilla. And then you're just going to combine it and add it into your dry ingredients. So mixing these ingredients separately reduces the lumps that your batter will have. So now I'm just going to combine it. Then I'm just going to mix my ingredients together. So you're going to keep whisking until there's no lumps left over. So now you're just going to wait for your oven to preheat to 420 degrees, and that's when we're going to take the cast iron skillet out. We're going to place it on our hot plate, and we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter and swirl it around in the pan, and then we're going to add in our batter. So the reason why we're doing it in these steps is so the butter can melt around the pan to coat it, and then when we put our batter in, it's going to puff up and really create that really fluffy and crispy pancake. So we're just going to wait for a while until that preheats. Alright, I think that's long enough, so now we're gonna take our cast iron skillet out of the oven after it's reached 425 degrees, and we're gonna place it on the hot pad. Alright, so this is boiling hot, and we're gonna add in our butter, and that's just gonna melt and swirl around. Butter is melting as I swirl it around, and you really want this so then once the pancake comes out of the oven, the batter won't stick to the actual pan. Okay, so once your butter is all melted, that's when you're going to add in your batter. So you just pour it into the center like this. And then you're going to pop it back into the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, so 15 minutes has passed, and now we're going to take our Dutch pancake out of the oven. Okay. So as you can see, it is very fluffy and it's really hot. So immediately after I take it out of the oven, I'm going to dust on some powdered sugar. So you can enjoy this with just powdered sugar, or you can add some maple syrup, jam, peanut butter, really whatever you like. And that's it, that's our Dutch pancake. Let me show you a close-up.